guys, doing an install with this Lennox. Okay guys, got the only hair loss, so I couldn't videotape, but this is what I did. With this unit, the A-Coil was this way, and I couldn't get it out. Obviously, they have a little cubby hole there that they had the valve sucked up there. It was flare fittings. So what I did is I cut this way, this way, this way, this way, slid the old one out, put the new one in, made my holes, because it was a little bit bigger, half inch, about inch, half inch, made my holes, and I brazed it up. Here I just put S-cleat with a fold, 1 inch fold, inside here, and then I got this flat stock, and put it here, made my holes, and then the other side just I covered the little hole. I'll show you. See the little hole I cut here? I covered, that's where the valves were in, original valves, and see they made this bigger. It should have been done this way to begin with, but anyways, so I covered this up, put another angle here just for extra. I made a 1 inch fold at the bottom too, so it sits nicer. I'm just gonna tape it up, and inside's done. Alright guys, she's complete. Numbers don't look too bad. I let her run for a bit. She's done.